Okay, out at the Domino's in Grand Prairie. This is kind of the front view. Got a taco shop next door. Well, it's pretty big. Planet Fitness across the street. Another retail strip center. Another Mexican restaurant across the street. Subway. Little bit everything right here. Standing on a listing agent. And he said they've got 2 other offers on this property. Actually, they've got 4 total, but 2 that they're going to consider. They're going to make a decision by the end of the week. So, it does have a 7-year lease, and they want an option for renewal for another 5 years. I think this location is doing pretty well. Just going to walk around here, right next to a church, it looks like. Trinity Christian something. And another business on the corner. More businesses over there. Well, it looks like it's in pretty decent shape. It's not that old. Cameras everywhere. Nicely put together. It's even got some. I've never seen this. Domino's has got a place to go inside and eat too. This is nice. Anyway, just thought I'd give you an update on this. I've got 2 more to do today. They have multiple tenants, and I'll send those in just a little while. One's in North Richland Hills, the other's in Keller, and Colleyville, and I'll send those to you in a little bit. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.